Hello, friends, and welcome to Rhinestone Heritage. Today, we are taking you on an exclusive factory visit to show you how we bring each custom rhinestone product to life, from concept to creation. Here, you will see how each design is matched with the right rhinestones and aligned with precision to achieve the perfect final look. And yes, we also specialize in applying hot fix rhinestones on embroidered suits. Whether it's traditional embroidery or contemporary patterns, our team has the expertise to enhance any fabric with high quality stonework. Next, let's show you how we make rhinestone templates using a laser cutting machine. This step is crucial. The machine cuts a template based on each dot and curve of the design. These templates are then used to perfectly place each rhinestone quickly, cleanly, and consistently. So these are our rhinestone template boards, carefully designed to match each stone pattern with precision. You can see how they're created using our laser cutting machine, ensuring every curve, dot and shape is perfectly aligned for fast and accurate stone placement. Now let's walk into another section of our workshop, our CNC cutting area. Here we use CNC machines to cut template boards, accessories and precision shapes for customized work. This helps us serve not just fashion brands but also gift packaging and decor clients. Moving forward, let's take a quick look at our stone stock section. We maintain a wide variety of rhinestones in different sizes, colors and effects, ready for quick dispatch. This includes two-memorable stones, shaped stones, AB effects, metallic finishes and much more. And finally, here are our skilled workers in action, expertly placing rhinestones, aligning fabrics and applying hot fix for sample orders and bulk production. Every product at Rhinestone Heritage is a result of dedicated craftsmanship, modern machinery and a strong passion for detail. Whether you're a garment manufacturer, exporter or fashion brand, we invite you to experience our quality and commitment. Thank you for visiting our factory. To see more behind the scenes updates, new designs or to place orders, follow us, subscribe and connect with us today.